This video I will explain the password managers that work in all browsers. Most of us have many online accounts like email, banking, shopping, social media and more. Each account needs a unique strong password to stay secure. But remembering all those passwords can feel impossible. This is where password manager comes in. What is a password manager? A password manager is a special tool that stores all your passwords safely in one place. You only need to remember one master password to unlock the manager, and it will remember rest for you. It works in any browser by installing browser extension or app. Now we will see how does password manager work. You install the password manager on your computer or phone. The password manager asks you to create master password. This is the only password you need to remember. When you log into websites, the password manager will save your username and password securely. Autofill your login details the next time you visit that same website. This makes logging in faster, easier, and safer. Why you have to use a password manager? You don't have to remember dozens of passwords. It helps you to create strong, unbreakable passwords. It works across all browsers and devices. Keeps your passwords encrypted and secure. It reduces the chances of being hacked by avoiding weak or reused passwords. Now we will see popular password managers that work in all browsers. First one is LastPass. It stores and autofills passwords across all browsers. Second one is OnePassword. It is very secure and easy to use. Third one is Bitwarden. It is free, open source and works everywhere. Fourth one is Dashline. It has a simple interface with extra security features. Fifth one is Keeper. It has secure storage with cross-platform support. All of this can be used in Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, and Brave through extensions or apps. Now we will see the safety tips. You have to choose strong master password. The password should have long, unique with numbers and symbols. Never share your master password with anyone. You have to keep your password manager updated to stay secure. You have to enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. In summary, a password manager is like a digital keychain for all your online accounts. It remembers every password for you, works in all browsers, makes your online life simpler and more secure. Instead of trying to memorize dozens of passwords, you just remember one password, that is a master password, and let the password manager handle the rest for you.